the skirt of Frances is hemmed into a tuck. So in order to do that, I've already sewn my 2 skirt pieces together, right side together, and I finished the hem. And then I laid it down with the wrong side facing up, and I'm making sure that the top is at the top and the bottom's at the bottom. Now I'm making a 9 to 12 month size, so I'm going to fold this up, wrong sides together. I'm going to fold it up 5 inches. So I'll get my seam gauge out and I'll measure 5 inches all along. So I'll fold it up 5 inches and I'm going to take it to the iron and press it. So now I've already folded up the skirt wrong sides together 5 inches. I'm going to do that again. So I'm basically going to fold this over on itself and fold it up again 5 inches. On the smaller sizes, it might even go past the raw edge. Your folded edge might go past the raw edge. That's fine. We don't need to worry about that. So don't worry if it seems like it's too much of a fold. It's not, I promise. So basically we're just going to fold it up 5 inches. Again, I'm making a 9 to 12 month size, so that's why my measurements are 5 inches. But go by the chart in the pattern for how much of a pleat you want to make. So, or how much of a how much your hem should be folded up. So I'm going to take this back to the iron. I'm going to fold it up another 5 inches, and I'll bring it back again. So now I've folded it again the 5 inches again. So it's basically folded up 5 inches 2 times. Just like you would a normal hem, it's just a lot larger of a hem. So now I'm going to go sew using a 1-inch seam allowance along this folded edge down here. So not up at the raw edge, but down here at the folded edge. So I'm going to use a 1-inch seam allowance and go all along the length of the hem. So it's kind of hard to see, but you can see some of the stitching right there. That's where my 1-inch seam allowance was. So now I'm going to basically kind of open this up. Sorry, it's hard to do one-handed here. So here's my unsewn fabric. Down here's the fabric that was folded twice, and here's that 1-inch pleat. And I'm basically going to just iron that pleat down towards the bottom of the skirt. Alright, so you can see here, this is the pleat that we made. And it's pointing down towards the bottom of the skirt. This is the top unsewn portion of the skirt, and this is the hemmed portion. What I really like about this hem is that everything is nice and contained, so it's a really pretty edge, pretty finish on the inside. It also gives the bottom of the skirt a fair amount of weight, so it makes the skirt fall really well. So there you go. It's pretty easy, just a little bit tricky, but the first time at least, but it gets easier, I promise.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.